Hello friends! Do you love making candles as much as I do? If so, then you're going to love these colorful DIY crayon candles. They're really fun and easy to make. So grab all those old and new crayons because in this video, we are making crayon candles with them. Supplies needed to make your own crayon candles are crayons, old or new, disposable cups, candle wicks, some wax, small glass jars, some popsicle sticks for stirring, and a microwave. We're making rainbow-colored crayon candles. Steps to make candles. Remove the labels from the crayons and break into smaller pieces. Now break them into smaller pieces. Fill a small disposable cup with broken crayon pieces and wax. I also added some scented wax too, to make it smell good. Microwave it for 4 to 5 minutes. Stir and microwave for 2 additional minutes to melt it completely. Meanwhile, place a candle wick in the center of a jar. We used popsicle sticks and laid the stick across the jar to keep it in place. Remove cup from microwave. Stir it and let cool for 15 seconds. Pour wax into the jar. Let the wax settle before adding the next color. Repeat and continue to pour layers of colored wax into the jar to fill it up. We're making rainbow colored candles. Just keep on watching. You'll see how they'll turn out. Our rainbow colored crayon candle is ready. Light it up and enjoy. Another pretty candle design. Check it out. Grab your crayons, just peel them, and then start to break them into smaller pieces. So fill your disposable cup with broken crayons and then add a few little pieces of wax. Now microwave it for 5 to 8 minutes. Remove cup from microwave, stir it to check if it's all melted or not. So take your candle wick, dip it in the melted wax and place it right in the middle of the candle holder. Place the cap or something to make the jar tilted. Pour the melted wax into the jar and wait for 15 minutes to let it completely dry. Now switch the cap to another side and pour the next color. Repeat the same step and keep on adding colors. trim the extra wick and your pretty candle is ready. Just look at all those colorful layers. Don't they look fabulous? They are also great for gifting purpose, and there's a great way to use up old broken crayons. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.